Hello everybody, my name is Cesar Aragon. Welcome to Aiden's Diesel and Auto Repair. Welcome to our shop. Here's our lobby with our office, and this is our secretary, Vanessa. Hi, Vanessa. And we have a little bit of everything here. Trying to get the stuff down for the Christmas, but here's our display. And also we do all types of service for cars and gas, oil changes, transmission flushes, shocks, brakes, everything you can name for all the models. And we have everything in stock as well. So you can come in and out. We have all the filters here for all the models, for oil changes, the transmissions, fuel filters for the diesels. We got multiple oils, gear oil, and everything else that we need. I mean, you'll be in and out really soon here. As long as all the lists are available, we'll get you in and out. Come on over here. It's a little restroom for all the employees. Welcome to a little mess over here. We're always busy. There's some engines that we have to take apart to send them over there to the machine shop because they're gonna get repaired. Over here we have the rotor machine to clean and surface all the trucks. You have to inspect them, make sure they're all at specs before you turn them. And then over here we have all the oils. We have them all in bunks, so you can see it on there. We're ready to go, no wait time, just come in and out. Here's a little bit of projects that we're doing today. We got the techs over here. Here's a few of them. Say hi, guys. Hi. And then we got a few cars in here that we're working on. This lining here, we're doing a little bit of upgrades and stuff like that. This Ford right here, they're really common with the facers and timing chains. So we're doing all that work on this. This Arcadia over here came for some major oil leaks. Front timing cover, rear main seal. So we had to drop down the whole thing down and fix everything for the customer. Hey, now guys, we're gonna go backstage. Let's go see who's back here. Everybody says that they know Aiden and they talk to Aiden. Let's find out who Aiden is. Hi kids. What are you guys doing? Where's Aiden? Oh, there's the boss man. Say hi, Aiden. Say hi, puppy. Tell him your name.
Aiden.
Yeah? What's your name, mommy? Yeah? And your name? Yeah? And what are you guys doing? Yeah? Do you guys like to be here at the shop? But you guys be safe though all the time, right? Right, Aiden? Alright, let's see who's back here. Oh, look, this is a lovely wife over here. Say hi, baby. Ah, she's my accountant over here. Oh, she's the boss man too.
Not supposed to be on camera.
Don't hesitate with any service that you might need. So it's first comes, first serves. Oil changes and anything that's really easy to do, we'll try to get you in and out so you're not waiting like everybody else. But I do get a lot of people here because of the freeway on the I-40 and Coors. It's a very traffic place and I get all these customers from out of town and everywhere, so I'm trying to work with everybody. Just call us at 505-242-0669. We also have towing service and it's the same hourly for the time of hours that we work. It's 8:30 to 5. So if you want to call us and we can go pick up your car, we'll go pick it up and bring it so we can check it. And that's only for the people that live here in Albuquerque in our local area. For anybody outside, we'll also go pick you up, but that's an additional fee. Come visit us at 1515 Coors Boulevard Northwest.